Hello, parents and children. Welcome to the art lecture. We are the renowned Diana Art School in Toronto, Canada, dedicated to providing beginner, intermediate, and advanced art education. In each of our videos, we will highlight a common mistake students make when drawing and provide free expert guidance to correct it. Our goal is to help parents whose children are learning to draw, or those who want their children to learn, understand the artistic process and support their child's professional development. Today's video addresses a common issue among elementary level students, drawing crooked lines. For example, you may notice lines that look like this, or this. And the final drawing may end up looking like this. This usually happens because children do not plan or think ahead while drawing. Additionally, their young minds are still developing the ability to control their hand movements. So how can we help them? Before drawing each line, they should first identify and mark the starting and ending points. Then they can slowly connect the two. But what if the long line still isn't straight? In that case, we can find the midpoint and connect the 3 points. For even longer lines, we can continue finding midpoints between existing points to maintain accuracy. The same method applies to arcs. See? It's done! Doesn't it look much better than before? This approach not only helps children improve their drawing skills, but also enhances their observation, planning, and organization abilities. All right, and that is the end for today's art lecture. If you want your child to start learning European and North American art, as well as standard North American English and culture from an early age, or if you hope for them to pursue art at a European or North American university, visit our website dianaartschool.ca or reach out to us using the contact details below. Our online courses are designed to meet all your needs. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.